Hello everyone, welcome to PRP Coding YouTube channel. I am Raveendran Pillai. In this session, I shall explain how private class members behave differently in TypeScript and JavaScript. So let's start. I have created a project named Real Private and it is opened in my VS Code editor. It contains two TypeScript files, customer.ts and index.ts. In the customer.ts file, it contains a class customer with a private member underscore name with value PRP coding. Now, this class is exported using the export keyword. Now, in the index.ts file, I have imported the customer module and then I have created an object of customer. Now, if I try to access customer._name, the private field, immediately we will get an error. The error says that property underscore name is private and only accessible within class customer. So what does that mean? It means that the TypeScript private member underscore name is only accessible within the class customer and it is not accessible outside of that class during compile time. Okay, so is it possible to access TypeScript private members during runtime? Let's see that. For that, let me add the code cons customer entries is equal to, say, object dot entries, and here I will pass the customer object, and I will say console.log customer entries. Okay, so now let me go and run this application. This application is created by using the bun.js. So what is bun? Bun is an all-in-one JavaScript runtime and toolkit designed for speed, complete with a bundler, test runner, and Node.js compatible package manager. One of the cool features about bun is that it is possible to run a TypeScript file in the terminal window by using the bun CLI commands. So let me run this index.ts. For that, I can say bun run index.ts. Here you can see that the TypeScript private member underscore name and its value PRP coding is printed in the terminal window. So what does that mean? It means that TypeScript private members are private only during compile time, but they are accessible during runtime. Okay, so now let me go and create a new JavaScript file here, and let me name it as new customer.js. Okay, it's a JavaScript file, and let me create a class named new customer. I will say export class new customer, and let me create a field underscore name is equal to PRP coding. Okay, so now let me go and create an object of this new customer in the index.ts file. So before that, let me go and comment all these lines of code, and let me import the new customer. Import new customer. Okay, and now let me create an object of new customer. Let me say let customer is equal to new customer. And now let me access customer dot underscore name. Yes, this time I'm able to access the underscore name. Why? Because in the customer.js underscore name is equal to PRP coding. By default, this is public. So I can access this underscore name inside new customer and outside of this class new customer. Now, is it possible to create private fields inside a class in JavaScript? Absolutely. From ES 2023 onwards, it is possible to create private fields inside a class by using the hash symbol. So here, what I need to do is I need to prefix this field by using the hash keyword. Now, if I go to index.ts, immediately I got an error. Property underscore name does not exist on type new customer. Why? Because we made this field as private. So what does that mean? It means that private fields are not accessible during compile time. Now, let's see whether this private field is accessible during runtime. For that, let me copy this code and paste it here. And let me uncomment this code. Okay, so this time I am using object.entries customer, and this customer is pointing to an object of new customer. Now let me go and run this code. Let me clear and run the command bun run index.ts. This time we got an empty array. So what does that mean? It means that the private fields inside a JavaScript class are not accessible during compile time as well as during runtime. So we learned about Private class members in TypeScript and JavaScript. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you.